Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna share the review for the HP printer. The difference with my earlier video was earlier I showed you how to connect the printer and my laptop and then print from there. But for this one today, we're gonna share how I can connect my cell phone to the printer and print from my cell phone. So the first rule is you have to connect both the printer and your cell phone to the same wireless network, or else it won't work. Second, as I'm using the Android, I'm gonna go to my Play Store and you have to type HP Smart. So this is the app that you will be needing for this function, and I have already uploaded that in my cell phone, so which is over here. Now I'm gonna try printing something. For instance, sometimes you might have to print some email or something like that. So let me just go and try to print something. So I'm gonna hit print. It's gonna come to a new Samsung, well, like a new window. On here, you're gonna see a yellow icon. Click on it, and it's gonna print. So as you can see, it has printed my email, and the email is very clear, no problem with anything. Now I'm gonna show you how to print like a picture or anything. So for instance, if I go to my Google image, and you can download any image and print. So in this case, I'm just gonna take a shot of the screen. Okay. And then I'm gonna try to print that out. Always, like when this window shows up, click on Stay Connected after use. Otherwise, the printer shows little trouble printing your stuff. But once you are done, I would recommend disconnecting it from the wireless network. So now I'm gonna print the picture. Now printing the picture or any colorful document, this printer takes little time. So I will just recommend having little patience, but at the end you will get colorful document or picture. So as you can see, the screenshot that I took earlier from Google Image has printed really nicely. The words are clear, the images are colorful. So I would say it's a pretty good printer at cheaper price. Good for students and everyone at home and office also. So I hope you liked my video and my review as well. If you could kindly share and subscribe to my channel, it will be really helpful. You guys have a wonderful evening. Thank